Really, really lovely.
Well, you cooked it.
You're right. It was all
Well
about
done.
me.
Well done.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, so we're here with Gary Barlow, and today we're going to be cooking a ratatouille roulade.
Amazing. I don't think I've ever had a ratatouille roulade.
I mean, it's basically a ratatouille, but what we've got is we're taking the aubergine and courgette and just making a nice little rose out of it. It's going to look really posh. But it's really quick, 15-20 minutes, and we'll be done.
Okay. And it's a dinner.
It's a dinner that you're then going to take into lunch. So first things first, we're going to get this pan on really hot. This is a griddle pan. We want to get those char lines on this. We're going to be taking these lovely bits of aubergine and courgette over there.
Now you sort of want to leave them in place, don't you? Once
exactly.
You put them down.
don't want to move them around. 90 seconds to 3 minutes, depending on how thick you've cut your aubergine. Yeah, give it a flip, starting with that bad boy.
So there's nothing in the pan, but you've already oiled these, so...
Exactly. And because we've got it really hot, we're pretty much done.
Look at that.
That is
Take
perfection.
them off?
Yeah, let's get those off. We're going to split the aubergines down the half.
So all the aubergines are going to be...
Exactly, they're going to be halved. If you take one of these slices of aubergine and just roll it up into a tiny little spiral, and then before it's closed, we'll pop it in one of these and do the same thing. We're basically
roll it inside it.
Exactly. There we go. And let's quickly spear that. That's going to sit in the middle of our tomato sauce. So now we've done our lovely ratatouille roast. We're going to make the tomato base.
Okay, great.
You must make these all the time.
Well, this looks more my area now. This does.
Wicked. Well, I can just leave you to it then.
Let's do it. Olive oil, onions.
Onions first, yeah. And obviously we're going to let these become translucent.
Garlic next.
Garlic in with about a tablespoon of tomato puree and then a teaspoon of dried thyme.
This is smelling amazing.
Smells fantastic. So let's get these tomatoes in there. So am I right that you've got a book coming out?
I've got a book coming out, I have. It has two purposes, really. One purpose is it's an autobiography. Life for the last 17 years. The other is to talk about food. Excellent. My sort of relationship with food. When it was my enemy, when it was my friend, and daily dealing with food, really.
And inspiring other people along the way. One final stage.
Oh, this is
the inaugural basil.
This is the good bit.
I'm going to leave it to you.
Shall I tear it?
A bit of a tear as you go in. Yeah, classic. There we go. Ready to go. Perfect.
Yeah, here we go, everyone. That's for tomorrow.
That's for tomorrow, yeah. So whenever you're writing songs or whatever it is you're doing tomorrow.
That. Lovely. Oh.
Next up,
do you know what? Do you know?
A beautiful rose.
Okay.
Pop that in the centre. Yeah, look at that. And that gives us space for greens on this side.
Sure.
Because next we're going to load up these plates with veg.
Have you just blanched these?
These are blanched, exactly. They've had about a minute in boiling water and that's it. We just wanted to really soften them a little bit, but keep the flavour, keep the crunch. But there's one final touch we're going to give to this, which is some seeds. Linseeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, just loads of good things that are going to help fill your body with omega-3.
This is a winner, isn't it?
Yeah, winner,
just
ratatouille dinner.
All over here.
Yeah.
This is going to be amazing.
Done well.
Do I get to taste it?
Let's have a taste.
You know, I must say it's a little fancier than I would normally do, but I will make that because
Good.
It looks delicious.
Glad to hear it, Gary.
A little bit of effort, but not too much. Here we go.
Let's have a go at that. Wow.
Taste the roasted, the char.
Absolutely.
The char.
Yeah, the char.
The char.
And then a little bit of crunchy veg in there as well.
Lovely. Perfect.
Wonderful flavours. Really quick, straight through, good for your dinner, good for a lunch tomorrow.
That is delicious. Well done.
Thank you.
Really, really lovely.
Well, you cooked it.
You're right. It was all
Well
about
done.
me.
Well done.
It was delicious. Thank you very much.
So there you have it. Our ratatouille rose with Gary Barlow. Good skills.
Delish.
Boom, that was amazing, that was delicious. If you want to see more like that, then hit subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked it, and please let us know what you thought in the comments. If you've got any more 15-minute ideas we could cook, let us know.